All right, continuing with the HyperScalable pass upgrade. So now that we have run the install.ps1, um, notice what it said, the output, that is actually copied the exported file into the Centrify build, and it loaded the PS modules into the PS package here. So I'm going to move into that folder. And notice that the utility is software is still in there. So what we're going to be doing is running a new deployment. So it's going to be a Centrify pass new deployment. And we always want to give it the host name. In this case, the name of my installation is called lab Centrify demo.net. And then you want to always give it an ID. So because this is 20.4, I'm using a simple naming convention, which is 20.4. And you always want to do verbose output. So what this is going to do is going to create a package that needs to be distributed to all my systems. And when it's distributed to those systems, it also has to be unzipped. And then you can run the Centrify pass deploy PS1. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stop the video here. And when I get the files, we're going to run a PowerShell command that will allow us to copy those files over.